Hey guys, it's Forever Young XD, and I'm going to be showing you guys my new bike. It's a specialized P2, has X-Fusion Enix forks. See, it's a P2. Backwards. P2. And then, it has disc brakes. It has a P-Series headset. It has specialized grips. It has an Avid brake system. See, and then it's a 26-inch wheelbase, and then it's a large frame. And then the sprocket and the headset match. They're both gray. There's the grips again. See the gray headset, P-Series headset, and the gray sprocket. Hold on, sorry, I just had to move that. Gray sprocket. And I don't really know much about the parts that are on it, but P-Series seat, the frame's really light, or the whole bike's really light. It's lighter than my 20-inch BMX bike. So, yeah. And, yeah. Have any questions or anything about it? Just comment or PM me. And then, yeah, I'll probably be posting a video of me jumping it soon. Alright, guys. Please subscribe.